Today I'm going to teach you how to bypass the problem with the Xiaomi cameras that can't access Linux NAS network storage. So first of all, we have to go find our configuration file for Samba, and we should open it. Right now we can see the Samba file, and this line is the line that matters because Xiaomi cameras work with a protocol, SMB protocol number 1. So you have to put this line so it can accept connection from the IP camera. The problem is when you try to configure your NAS, it doesn't detect any folder. So to detect the folders, you should place this line after the workgroup, and that's it. After this, you should exit, save the file and then exit, and restart the server or restart this SMB service, the Samba service, and it's done. It's easy. I take some time to find out what was going on and how to solve this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Bye.